that, today I'm going to show you how you can make a banner using Pixlr for free. So what you need to do is create a new image, and the size would be 2560 by 1440 and transparent. Okay, then I will just change the language to English right there. And then you need to go and find or search for, let me just search it, banner size YouTube, or no, that's banner templates you need to search for, banner template. And then you go to images and you should find one, there it is, I'll select this one. Yeah, you just drag it to desktop and you would have it on desktop. When you have it on desktop, you click on File, Open Image, and then go to YouTube channel, banner. And just drag this, wait, I just need to find, no. Go to the layer and drag this to this. So when it fits, you can just drag it and remove the before one and get back to work. Maximize it like that. And now what you need to do is put a text. So for a text, you can go to the font and find a good text. I have already chosen one. I choose this one. You can find the text and unzip it and download it. It's really easy. I'll show you. Just unzip it and download it, and yeah, just do that. This should come up. I just do that and install. I already have installed, so I will do it. And then you can go to the font type tool and put whatever text you want or something. I put my name. I should live hacker right there. And then I would resize it so it is big enough to people to see a font. And then I think this could be 174. Yeah, that's good. And I want the color to be white, and you can change the style to bold if you want. And then if you want to put a drop shadow or something, you can just do it by right clicking on the layer and go to layer style, put a drop shadow if you want. I put that 30% and size 1%, 12, 11. Okay, that looks good. So here's that done. And now what we need to do is go to marker tool, and you make sure that you make a new layer too, and then you do that. And on the top we make the same right there, and paint bucket, put that in right like there. And now what we can do is get this banner image. So what we need to do is go and find the image. I just picked one, this is space one, and I've already downloaded it. And then when you download it, you go to the open image and find the image you've already saved it, and you click on open. It should just load. Then you see this, minimize it and drag it a little bit. In background, you drag it to this name thingy, to the other one, and you close this. Here, what you do is resize it. You resize it by clicking on this. Let me just quickly find it. Or you go to the edit, free transform, and I think that is it. I don't know why it's half, but yeah. Then you go to the edit again for it doesn't, and then you click on free transform and edit and done. You can just put it like however you want. I put it there and put it behind save change apply changes. Put it behind everything. So under everything, right there is your text, and that's it. Now you have a cool picture or image as a background, and if you want to add something else, like if you want to add a Snapchat logo or something, you can just click on and search for Snapchat PNG, and that's it. And you go to images and find the image you like. I would take this one and just download it. There we go. And file, open image. You can get with the image what you want. Right there, I have the image. And now you just drag the layer to this, and you should get a big thing, but you don't want that. And then you can close the before one that you had if it doesn't. Let me just find that. There it is. You can close this, and then you can click on free transform again, or in the history you should see it, but you don't do it. You go to edit, free transform. So you can resize it right now. I would choose, oh, I forgot to hold the shift. If you don't hold the shift, it might be like this. So make sure to hold shift and then do anything you want. So I will put it right under my profile. Right there. So there I will put it, and save apply changes, and it's done. If you want, you can put some layers or edit that. So if you want a bezel, you can put that, outer glow. If you want anything you want, you can put a dark shadow, but I don't want that. So what we can do with this is many things. We can put a bezel and have it glow like there, or some outer glow, and you can pick the color. Pick a color if you want. With white, we can pick white, and okay. And you can select the hardness, however white you want. So if you want it full white, you can click it on full white. I would have like with this, not there, right there, maybe there. If you have it like that, and you can select a font to type a type tool, and then you can just type in whatever you want, or not whatever you want, just Snapchat or just so Snapchat. I would not put my real Snapchat right now, for I wouldn't use this. So I will just put it in ultra glove, and you can get the size to like smaller to fit that. I will just get through it right there. So you can put it smaller if you want, or bigger, like to there. Like this. You can change the font if you want. I would take a Love of Thunder, or maybe this. Or let me see. I would take Raised Light. this looks good, but I don't want to understand that. So maybe an easy font. Zappa is good. I'll take that. And okay. Yeah, that was it for the video. So if you want to render it by my art, you can just click on File, Save, and then name it whatever you want, and render it. With the best quality if you want. I would take the best. And okay. Save it on the desktop. Here you have it. Wait, there it is. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.